Hi, I'm Will from ZOLLER, and today I want to talk to you about some key bits of information that you can capture by using one of our tool presetting machines. Here at ZOLLER, we can appreciate that the quality of your tooling information serves as a direct prerequisite for the quality of the manufacturing on site. Because of this, even on our most basic tool presetting machines, we have the capability to capture the key features of your tooling. This can include overall length, overall diameter, corner radiuses, any cutting angles and gauge lengths that you might want to capture at the tool presetting stage prior to the tool being used in manufacturing. This information is essential for optimized cutting performance and also optimized machine uptime and production on site. Without the use of a ZOLLER tool presetter, these features wouldn't be able to be captured in an accurate and repeatable manner. By implementing a ZOLLER tool presetter to capture this sort of information, you yield the benefits further down the line and also improve the processes on site. Once the information is captured at the presetter, we have a number of different options as to how we actually manage the information. This can be done really basic, just on a local database on the machines themselves, or we can look to actually integrate this to the machines that you currently have on site via a number of different communication methods. This allows you then to transfer the data directly from the tool presetting machine into the machine tools on site, and eliminates any opportunity there for operator error or user input error when actually loading the tools. This ensures that the information captured at the tool presetting stage is exactly the information that's fed to the manufacturing process. Having access to this information allows you to track back and analyse the past performance of your tooling on site. This information can serve as a direct reflection on your tool life and tool performance on site. With a ZOLLER machine, capturing all of this information is seamless and allows you to have a key insight on the tooling performance you currently have on site. If you want to find out more about how our systems can help elevate the processes you currently have on site, then please contact us here at ZOLLER UK.